Is it time to replace your TracFone?
Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the telltale signs that it might be time to replace your TracFone. Just like any other electronic device, TracFones can wear out over time, and knowing when to make the switch can save you a lot of hassle. Let's dive right in and see what those signs are.
Physical wear and tear.
First and foremost, just like any other device, TracFones can physically deteriorate over time. Cracked or broken screen. Even if the phone still works, a damaged screen can be a hazard and impact visibility. Button malfunctions. If your buttons are becoming less responsive or not working at all, this is a clear sign. Battery cover issues. If the battery cover is not fitting properly or falling off often, it might be due to physical damages.
Battery issues.
Battery health is crucial for any mobile device. Frequent charging. If you find yourself needing to charge your phone multiple times a day despite light use, this indicates a deteriorating battery. Phone getting excessively hot. It's normal for phones to warm up a bit during use, but if yours is getting too hot too often, this could be a battery problem.
Software and performance lags.
Over time, the software and overall performance can degrade. Slow response times. If your TracFone is taking too long to open apps or respond to actions, it might be time for a replacement. Frequent crashes or restarts. Random restarts or apps crashing frequently are not a good sign. Inability to update. Older phones might not support the latest software updates. Missing out on these can mean not having the latest security patches or features.
Network and connectivity issues.
Connectivity is crucial for any phone. Dropped calls. If your TracFone is dropping calls more frequently than before, even in areas with good reception, this could be a hardware issue. Issues with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Consistent problems connecting to Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices can be a sign that your phone's hardware is failing. So there you have it, some of the most common signs that it might be time to replace your TracFone. Remember, a phone should be a reliable tool that fits seamlessly into your daily life. If it's causing more problems than it's solving, it might be time to consider an upgrade. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, thanks for tuning in.